Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change selfie video size in screen recorder into a HUAWEI Nova HI. First of all, you download and install from mGallery xRecorder application, this one. Then go into this application and go into settings. Then scroll down and find camera, this one, camera. Activate this option, click draw over the other app, go back. And now click one more time, activate on the camera, allow, and here we got our selfie video size. So for change size of this video, press and hold, one more time, press and hold here, and you change your selfie video size. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.